The car is gone. They stole it, and all they left us was a rusty exhaust. Well, not so rusty because I painted that. That bit gets more rusty. Yep, all the work was for nothing. It's a Dutch custom for the international viewers to steal a car but leave something behind. Unfortunately, they left the exhaust. But we found it. And there's our brand new stainless steel exhaust, which we can finally fit because the margins are quite tight, like in that little corner right there. And the old one was basically put together of all parts and welded shut. So whilst we were doing that, fixing a gasket, a seal in the rear axle, leaking oil onto the back brake. Gert working hard to fondle with it, getting it all fixed up now. The stainless steel exhaust, of course, runs all the way under the car up to the engine. And it's pretty and shiny, like the rest of the car. Some final doodling today with the door, because right there where you see that screw, there's supposed to be a little plate which was missing, which holds the door handle where you can shut the door with. Took me a couple of hours to fix that, to make that, so you make a new one. Once that's in, the panels can go in, so that's done. Test drive the car hopefully later this afternoon. Be back then. Bye.